everyone, my name is Shaurya and today I am going to share you the recipe to make a yummy, delicious and a healthy soup. And that is pea soup. Let's see the ingredients. So we are going to use olive oil. We are going to use vegetable oil and I'm using olive oil. You need some peas. You need some mint. You need onion and salt and some coriander seeds and cumin seeds, and you will need cashews and also some rinsed soaked almonds and remove the peel off, and a tej patta, a piece of cardamom, 2 seeds of pepper and ginger and garlic. So now let's get to the recipe. So on the gas you need to keep your pan. Okay, so I've switched on the gas. Now I'll put some olive oil. So you need to put very less olive oil. Now we'll add some cumin seeds. We'll now add some cumin seeds. Now we'll spread this, and now we'll add some coriander seeds. Now we'll add the tej patta, and afterwards we'll add the 2 seeds of pepper and a piece of cardamom and some garlic. We'll add some garlic, and also afterwards we'll add ginger, and then we'll add our onion. But before adding the onion, we'll just see that everything has got oil in it. It's now we'll add some onion. Now we'll stir it, and be careful doing this. Take your elder's help, and I'm also taking help. So I have roasted these onions type of a little. They have become transparent and brown. Now we'll add the peas. Oh, and afterwards we're going to add our cashew and almonds. So I'm adding my cashew and almonds. So I've added these almonds and cashews to make it more healthier. Now I'm going to just stir this nicely, and now we'll add some water. So now we'll add water in it. So this much water is okay. Now we'll nicely roast this, and we need to nicely boil the peas till they become soft, and we'll add the mint, only some mint leaves, and add this much. Yeah, like this, and then we're going to add more. So now we need to let the peas boil till they become nice soft. So I'm gonna. Now these peas have boiled very nicely. Now we'll remove the tej patta, cinnamon, and the black and the pepper, and then afterwards we'll add it in the mixer and make a puree of it. So I poured this into the mixer jar after it's cooled down. Now I'm gonna make a thick puree of this. So now I have made the puree of this So now the puree, I put it on the pan and the gas is on. Now we'll add water in it, and now we'll add salt as per the taste. So I'm gonna add this much salt in it. I'm adding 2 small spoons of it. And now we'll mix this nicely so that the salt goes, like dissolves. So our yummy soup is ready to drink. Now we can remove it in a bowl and then serve it. And this is very good in winters because the peas are very fresh, so it's very healthy and rich in fiber.